Hey everyone, welcome back. If your folder tree or file list is missing in VS Code, don't worry, your project files are usually still there, they're just not being displayed. The first fix is simple. Click View, then click Explorer. As soon as you do that, your folder tree should appear again, and you'll see all of your project files, like your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PNG images, and everything else. Next, right-click on the activity bar on the left side and make sure Explorer has a check mark next to it. If it isn't checked, click it once to enable it. This makes sure the Explorer view stays available. If the folder tree is still missing, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P, search for View, reset view locations, and press Enter. This resets the VS Code layout and can restore the missing Explorer view. Finally, if Explorer opens but no files are showing, go to File, then Open Folder and open your project folder. Without opening a folder, VS Code has nothing to display, and that's it. Hopefully one of these methods fixed the problem. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.